First, I want to say a few words about the tragic death of Joyce Echaquan. Like all Quebecers, I was shocked by the racism she was subject to. A nurse has been fired and 2 investigations are ongoing. Our task force on racism will give me a recommendation in the coming weeks. We will act quickly. We need to. Now,
going back to Joyce Echaquan's death, you remember Premier Legault, the Viens Commission gave you clear recommendations on how to deal with this kind of systemic racism or discrimination in the hospitals. There were lots of Indigenous people that shared those memories in the last few hours with Mrs. Echaquan's death. People want change now, really. I mean, they want justice for Joyce's death. So why are you waiting for taking actions?
Yeah, it's not that easy. We first need to have an agreement with the First Nations because they don't want us to apply recommendations without their consent. So it wasn't easy in the last 7 months to keep on having those meetings, but we really want to apply recommendations with the consent of the First Nations. So we're working on that. And of course, training of people working in the healthcare and the education system is very important.
Premier, there's a lot of people that are quite shocked and outraged about what happened to Joyce Echaquan. What message do you have for them that they say they are being poorly treated in the healthcare system? Is there a message that you would have to reassure them?
But the message is clear. It's totally unacceptable. That's why so far at least 1 nurse has been fired. We have inquiries. And we want to take actions. I think that the group of Mrs. Giraud and Dr. Carman, they will table some concrete recommendations in the next few weeks. I intend to apply those recommendations.
Has anyone in government, a minister, or anyone reached out to the family? We see them on TV in distress. Have you phoned them yourself? Or?
Yeah. Sylvie Damour has tried to reach the family. Unfortunately, she wasn't able to get any answer.